Welcome back. After a very successful first event, Albuquerque Ride is now going to be hosting a second hiring fair happening this Friday. It's in the hopes of getting you to come out and work on their team. Well, today we're joined by ABQ Ride Training Specialist Mark Warren and Motor Coach Operator Arthur Herrera, giving us all the details and talking about the great benefits that you can enjoy and working for the city. Gentlemen, great to have you with us.
Thank you for having us.
This is exciting on so many levels because, there's potential for employment, potential that, the department is going to be growing, and potential for, ridership for becoming more available for riders here in the Duke City. Let's talk about the success of the first one and now going into the second hiring fair.
Well, on October 17th, we had a great first event. The entire ABQ Ride team was all hands on deck to showcase what our organization is about. We had a great turnout. We had 36 conditional hires. We had 16 motor coach operators, 16 Sunvan chauffeurs. We had 3 mechanics and 1 tire repair, and it was a fantastic event. There's a lot of people walking around. We're showcasing what Ken Sanchez Center is about, and also the ABQ Ride team. But it was a fantastic first event, made a good dent in our hiring.
There you go. Speaking of one of those team members, Arthur, let's talk about your experience now as a motor coach operator. I like that sound of that.
Motor coach operator. Yeah. Honestly, it's good. It was good. I'll tell you one thing, it's life-changing, Okay. I went from living check to check to living comfortable now. Training, everybody at training is good, dude. I'm going to tell you my story. I went in there intimidated, and I felt like, I don't know if I could do this. You see the big bus, and I know there's a lot of people that think the way I do, especially the art bus. You say, that's a 60-foot vehicle. I can't move that. But these guys at training, they literally will not let you out without you being confident. They work with you, they take their time, and that meant a lot to me. And I could see the way they do that with everyone, not just me. So it's a good thing, man. It's a good thing, and I encourage everybody to come and apply. It's life-changing again. And I got nothing but good stuff to say about the whole training department and transit as a whole,
Absolutely. Mark, so for the folks that are watching this morning, say somebody's out there with, saying, I can drive and I have a good record. What are some of the prerequisites for running?
Prerequisites, you have to have a high school diploma or GED and a driver's license. Okay. And when they come in, for our Sunvan chauffeurs, the training lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. Our motor coach operators, they have to get a specialized CDL exam. Usually takes 10 to 12 weeks. Okay. But our hiring event is tomorrow from 10 to 3. And we're all excited about what ABQ Ride can offer in regards to potential employment. It's a great job. The benefits are fantastic. And what we do in trainings, we talk about, driving is one part of what we do, but we're also ambassadors to the city of Albuquerque. We connect the city of Albuquerque, which is very, very important. And what we're really trying to change that culture is we're here to serve the public. And there's no greater calling to what we do in training than having to serve the public in our capacity as professional operators. But the entire ABQ Ride team is just fantastic from A to Z. They are the best, and it's just a fantastic place to work. And getting guys like Art on board with us is fantastic with his story. We have many, many, many stories like Art that, them coming to ABQ Ride as a whole, it changes their lives, and that's what we're about.
Absolutely. And again, in long term, in longer term the issues, it's going to be something that, is going to be setting up somebody with a foundation to be looking ahead.
Yeah. Yes, and that's the biggest thing is, the pay is great. You're going to be very comfortable, but it's also for, the benefits and taking care of their family. But the biggest thing is we're here to serve the public, and that's what we're here to do.
Yeah. All right, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.